Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial on HTML forms and input types. In this video, we'll delve into the fascinating world of web forms, understanding how they work, and exploring various input types to collect user information. HTML forms are a crucial aspect of web development, allowing us to gather data from users. These forms serve as a medium for users to interact with websites, providing valuable information. HTML forms are a way to collect and process information from users. Think of them as digital containers that allow users to input data, such as text, numbers, choices, and more. At the core of an HTML form is the form element, which acts as a container for various input elements. HTML offers different input elements like text boxes, radio buttons, checkboxes, and more, each designed for specific types of user input. There are various types of input elements that allow users to input different kinds of data. Let's explore some of the commonly used input types. For basic text input, we use input type text. To hide passwords, we use input type and password sauce. For numerical entries, input type denumbering is ideal. For yes, no choices, we use radio buttons with input types to radio. And to select multiple options, we use checkboxes with input type on checkbox. File input, type en file, enables users to upload files. Date input, type to date, allows selection of a date. Time input, type time, allows selection of a time. Submit, button, type submit, submits the form data to a server. These input types, along with various attributes, provide powerful tools to create interactive forms tailored to different needs. Always choose the appropriate input type to ensure accurate and user-friendly data entry. Form attributes and labels are important elements in HTML forms that enhance usability, accessibility, and structure. Let's explore how these elements can be used effectively. Form attributes. Action specifies the URL where the form data should be submitted. Method defines the HTTP method for sending form data, usually either GET or POST. Target specifies where to display the response after submitting the form, for example, a new window or the current window. Labels. 4. Links a label to an input element using the input element's ID. Improves accessibility by allowing users to click the label to focus on the associated input. Placeholder. Provides a hint or example text within an empty input field, guiding users on what to input. Title. Adds a tooltip or additional information when the user hovers over the input. Required specifies that the input field must be filled out before submitting the form. Disabled. The disabled attribute restricts interaction with a form element. Let's create a simple HTML form by putting together various input types and incorporating form attributes and labels. In this example, we've created a simple contact form with fields for name, email, password, gender, subscription preference, and feedback. We've also used the required attribute to ensure certain fields are filled before submission. Today, we've gained valuable insights into HTML forms and input types, understanding how they enable seamless user interaction on the web. Keep exploring, keep creating, and stay excited about the endless possibilities HTML forms and input types offer in the world of web development.